Lolo Bijing and Lola Libet. In behalf of Tutu and Carmen de la Victoria and family, we wish you a happy golden wedding anniversary. God bless you both. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
To Lolo Piching and to Lola Libet, happy golden anniversary to you.
Hello! Tio Piching, Tia Libet, happy golden wedding anniversary. Wishing you happiness, good health, long life. Dayon. Dayon kami diri sa balay sa Rojas City ug simaan nga tuaron sa San Carlos. Mugit po ninyo ug a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Once again, Tia, happy golden wedding anniversary. God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Happy wedding anniversary, Lolo Bijing and Lola Beth.
And hi, Tio, Tia. Happy wedding anniversary and hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hello, Lolo Bijing, Lola Libet. I just want to greet happy anniversary. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.